Question number 6 on the reading portion of College Board's Test 5. The narrator indicates that Limey finally closes the history book because. So why does Limey finally close his book? Well, if we remember correctly, the results, if we remember line 64, this is just what I remember he last talks about the history book. The results of the Congress were stated clearly at the bottom of page 67 at the top of 68, but before Limey got halfway through them, a coat that he recognized as his father's was hung on the hook next to his chair. Limey closed the book. Line 69. So it says Limey closed the book on line 69 because his father's coat hung next to him, and Limey then says, I didn't think you were coming, about his father. So the narrator indicates that Limey finally closed the history book because his father had joined at the table. Yes. Let's look at the other choices. He closed the book because the people at the other table are too disruptive. Good, bad answer, kind of. Because you might argue it's like, oh, I'm in situations like that where I'm trying to read or I'm trying to study and I can't pay attention, so I just close the book. And that's probably what he did. Don't do that. Don't try to jump into Limey's shoes and understand what you would do in that situation. Just answer the questions based on what was actually said. And they never say that he gets so distracted where he can't read anymore. If anything, it says that he recovers from his initial distraction. It says that fortunately he realized this, line 59. He realized that he skimmed and went back, so he regained his focus. So it's not talking about how the people are too disruptive and therefore that's why he can't, pay attention. No, didn't say that. The narrator indicates that Limey finally closes the book because he has finished the chapter about the Congress. If anything, it says he did not finish the chapter about the Congress. The results of the Congress were stated clearly at the bottom, page 68 and 67, 68. But before he got halfway through them, his father came and he closed the book. So he didn't even get to finish the chapter, can't be C. What about D? He's preparing to leave the restaurant. That's not true. He's not preparing to leave anything. He's waiting for his father. So quite the opposite. That's not why he stops reading, is because his father's there. His father throws his coat down. It's not obvious that his father's arrived, but you can just infer that because it's saying Limey, a coat that he recognized. So Limey recognized the coat of his father that hung on the hook next to his chair. And then that's when he knew that his father was here. So the narrator indicates that Limey finally closed the history book because his father has joined him. A. The answer number 6 can be A.